Based on the life cycle assessment of the iPhone, Apple uses a social web model of the corporate social responsibility because I believe that Apple cares about its consumers and their opinions and what they believe in. A lot of consumers nowadays care about like the earth and want nothing unethical happening with the earth, such as like gas emissions. They want to see good for the earth, and gas emissions just polluting the earth. And people want to see companies helping the earth out instead of causing harm. So Apple decided to make a difference. A difference they made is reducing the amount of mercury is in the iPhones and adding wood fiber in the packaging of the iPhones. The wood fiber allows trees to grow, creating pure air for the earth and the people around it. And the less mercury in the iPhones makes it easier for recycling to happen because mercury is a dangerous substance and it could be harmful to humans if it touches skin or is ingested. Less metal in the iPhones is a good thing because less e-waste is produced. So I recommend for Apple to move ahead by less metals in not just the iPhones but also their laptops. iPhones and laptops and all e-waste are a big problem now because they're just getting accumulated in other countries that need to find jobs. And these are dangerous jobs with no protective equipment that create another ethical issue as to why these people are harming themselves, their bodies, just to scrap e-waste. And like we have nowhere else to put it, so the US decides to ship it off to other places. So in making less metal in these products such as iPhones and MacBooks, it will make the problem of e-waste less. It won't combat the whole problem. But I believe that Apple should reduce the amount of metal moving on ahead to help combat this problem a little bit.